Hi guys, I'm Katie. I'm one of the co-founders of FabFitFun, and welcome back to Behind the Box. This is where we take a deep dive into some of the products that we've curated meant to put a little bit of joy and happiness into your life. So our spring theme is Kickstart Your Happy, and I'm really excited to share some items that are going to make you have the best spring ever. But of course, because everything is customizable these days and we give you a lot of choices, we can't actually go into every single product. But if you do want to check out everything that you can pick from, go to our customized close-up videos where you can get all the information about all of the amazing spring products. And of course, make sure that you stick around to the very end of this video because I just may need some help picking out a product for this summer's box. So our very first theme is Joyful Basics. These are products meant to just bring a little bit of joy into every day of your life. First up, we have these super chic, adorable glitter studs from Kate Spade. I'm actually wearing them today. I love the little bit of sparkle. They can be dressed up or down. It goes with all of your spring pastels and florals, and just a chic way to add a little bit of sparkle to your look. So next up, we actually have a choice of two very sweet, very sophisticated robes from Morgan Lane. Morgan Lane is a luxury sleepwear line, best known for their attention to detail. One of the details that I love on both of these robes is that they actually come with pockets. They're really soft, really well made, very flattering, and best of all, they are size inclusive and look great on every body. All right, here we have the Ultra Hydrating Body Butter from Josie Maran. It's a whipped argan oil, and it's just this giant tub of ultra hydrating moisture that you are going to love this spring. It has a beautiful light citrus scent, and like all of Josie's products, it is cruelty-free. You're gonna love it. So last but not least, we have the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. What's really cool about this guy, it's a unique combination of both a highlighter and a blush. Means one less thing you have to do in the morning, but this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and a portion of the proceeds go to protecting animal rights. Hourglass, another amazing prestige female-founded brand. Really excited for you guys to try this guy as well. So our next theme is spring gatherings. It's everything you need up to meet up with your friends on a sunny spring day. You could do it at a park, you could do it in your backyard, but just the perfect way to get together. So first up, we have a set of acrylic wine glasses from ban.do. They're super fun, super cheerful. They are in acrylic, which makes it great if you are by a pool, by water. They can't break. If you're clumsy like me and you're always breaking glasses, you are going to be thrilled with these guys. And I love the little pop of shimmer that makes everything a little bit more fun. Next up, we have the L-Space Coastal Cooler. This guy is so cute, it's gigantic. It can hold all of your picnic essentials. It is insulated inside, so it will keep everything nice and cool. It can also hold 4 bottles of wine. I can personally attest to that fact. And it has this adorable little pocket in the front to keep you organized. I love the straps, super chic. You are going to be the queen of all the picnics this spring. Next up, we have the Juliet sunglasses from Privé Revaux. I've obviously been wearing them all season long. I am obsessed. I love the shape. Privé Revaux is actually a celebrity-founded brand. Jamie Foxx, Haley Steinfeld are just some of the cool people behind the incredible line. What I love is they really do look good on every face shape and will keep you looking chic all spring long. Our next theme is Fridge to Face. As you guys know, last year we launched our FabFitFun standard, which is all about clean beauty. And this set of products are definitely clean, they're sustainable, cruelty-free, and just have all the good stuff inside of them to make you feel great as well. So first up, we have the Topical C from the Nue Company. This is actually a vitamin C powder. And the reason why we put it in a powder form is it actually makes it much more potent and last longer. So what you do is you take 2 to 3 shakes, you can put it in your serum, put it in your moisturizer, but you get all of the amazing skin glowing effects of vitamin C just with a couple shakes. All right, guys, next up, we have the Farmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. This guy is great if you have normal to dry skin. It really helps to plump. Honey is a superfood. It does wonders for moisturizing. But honestly, my favorite feature is that it comes with this little palette. It's an applicator, and the top is actually magnetized, so you don't lose it. So next up, we have the Caudalie Vinopure. This luxury French brand harnesses all the power of grapes. It is a moisturizer, but it's also a mattifier. So if you do have oily or combination skin, this is the perfect choice for you. So the last theme that we're talking about today is hair power. It allows you to pick the exact right hair product for your hair type. All right, guys, so we actually have a choice of 3 different products from an amazing hair care line called It's a 10. The first up is the cult classic. It's the Miracle Leave-In product. It's nourishing, it detangles, it restores shine, but it's also really lightweight, so it can also help with the natural body and prevention of split ends. So next up, we have the leave-in, but this one is actually plus keratin. So this is perfect if you do keratin treatments, Brazilian blowouts. It's a great thermal protectant. It's a UV protector. It's also great for colored hair. You know that's an important one to me, and just leaves your hair really silky, shiny, and smooth. And our last choice from It's a 10 is the leave-in, but this is specifically for coily hair. So it is ultra hydrating, ultra moisturizing, and it works on a variety of different styles. So if you're rocking natural curls, braids, straight tresses, this guy is great because it really helps reduce breakage, frizz, and again, leaving it shiny and beautiful. All right, guys, that is a wrap for all of the products that we're gonna talk about in today's spring box. I'm also really proud to announce that our spring nonprofit partner is ready to succeed. They are an amazing nonprofit that empowers people in the foster system to help find their full potential, and it's a great way to, empower kids to live their best lives. I also want to give another little plug, what we call mystery surprise. So if you guys remember in the beginning of FabFitFun, everything was a surprise. And I think we've done something of an upgrade by allowing everybody to choose the right products for them. But if you do like a little surprise, you can choose the mystery choice. That means we're going to choose the best product for you, either from the selection in the spring box or give you a chance to win extra special prizes that I know you're going to love. And just like I promised in the very beginning of the video, I need some help deciding what I should put into this summer box. Let me know which one you like better in the comments below. Happy spring, guys. Have a great one.